Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next item and tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So this is the Hay Crown Professional Pet Nail Trimmer and File. We tried it on both my dog and my cat tonight for the first time, and we were very impressed with it. Let me go ahead and tell you what you get and how it works and what makes this better or a cut above all of the other trimmers that we've had in the past. So first of all, right away, it does come in a nice little carrying case. I like things that come in cases. I've said that before and I'll say it again. When it comes in a case, the little clips just open up. Comes in a case, you have less of a chance of losing it. You get the clippers themselves, and then you get a little file. The file is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It's just a metal file. It does have, it's a little rough, which is good for animal nails. It's perfect for filing them down. Once you cut it, you have like little burrs on the end. You kind of file them. We used it for our dog. We didn't use them for our cat so much because their nails are so small, but it worked really, really well. It's kind of a rubber dipped. It kind of holds well. It's got a little bit of a grip there. So it's a nice little nail file. That's cool. But the real star of the show are these clippers. These clippers are very, very sharp and well designed. They are ergonomic. Again, the handles are rubber dipped. There's a little bit of a texture there. You're not going to drop them. You're not going to lose them or anything. It does have a protective little case on it. You open it up and there they go. They open up. Nice thing about these, they are nice and big. If your doggy has big claws, you can open this up nice and wide and kind of put their claws in there and kind of close it up. There is a spring to it, so I'm going to hold it up here. There's a spring. There's a little nut there, but there's a spring you can see. The spring is internal. That's also very, very important. I've had clippers that had the spring that was actually just kind of visible, and I've actually caught dog hair and I've caught the doggy's paws in that spring just by accident. This is nice and enclosed. It's stainless steel. It's sharp. It's heavy duty metal. It's very, very nice cutting. So that's all. It's a really high kind of build quality. So I really like these for that reason. So we use this on our doggy first. Our doggy is nice and laid back, very calm dog. She had no problem with these. The nice thing about these, the description actually says they cut like they're going through butter, and that really is true. They're just super sharp, super nice. Let me show you kind of a feature that we really enjoy. My wife did the cutting while I did the videoing, just kind of make sure we didn't have too many hands in the mix. So let's say this is like a dog's nail. It's got, I got two wood sticks here. The nice part is that you can kind of keep this thing open and slide it over the claw and just kind of make sure that you have it exactly where you want it. You can just kind of move back and like, that's perfect, that's just right. And then you just squeeze, just like that, just cuts it off. It is that sharp. It is super razor blade, not a lot of effort, just sort of a, there you go. They're just kind of disappearing. I'll do it on the other end so you can see the points. There you go. They are very, very sharp, but it's nice to be able to kind of line it up on the claw and then go ahead and just cut it right off. So that it does work really, really well. They are very, very good cutters. So we cut them on our dog. Dog worked fine. She just kind of sat there and took it. That was wonderful. And we went ahead, we did file hers down a little bit. The file was very good at taking off those burrs of the thicker, heavier duty dog claws. That was a nice file. Now, for the cats, also very nice. You can get it nice and small there. You can put it over the cat claws just right. Just kind of put it right over that and just kind of nip it up. Again, because it's so sharp, they do go right through it, just like butter. The cats are struggle a little more. Cats don't really like having their paws hit as much as our doggy doesn't mind at all. The cats didn't like it, but again, same idea. We just kind of put it in there, just snap just like that. It was nice and fast. It was so sharp and so quick that the cat really couldn't fight it too much. We had a third cat or a second cat that did fight a little more, but it was so quick and so easy, it made the process much easier. So again, the fact that you get the cutter, the file, and the carrying case all together, it makes it a really nice set. It's a great gift. It's good for if you have a pet for the first time or if you have a whole bunch of pets. These are high quality clippers. They are, again, stainless steel, heavy duty, good in the hand, nice and sharp. They work really well. They make trimming claws easier. It was just a pleasant experience overall for both the animals and the humans, and that's all that you can ask for with this sort of thing. So it works really well, and yeah, they are highly recommended.